Hey everyone, hope everyone's having a nice day. I'm not too happy right now. In the process of getting a factory warranty replacement battery for my City Slicker, what was happening is that around 45% it was dropping to zero. Left me stranded. A couple times I had to push it over 2 miles in 2 hours. I had to push it because this thing has motor resistance, does not have neutral. So it was like Conan pushing the wheel. But what's really upsetting me right now is this sticker here. It says NCM 72V26AH, or 26 amp hours, 72 volts. Here's a little built-in charge indicator showing 80%. This motorcycle is sold as a 30 amp hour motorcycle, and the advertised range looks pretty tasty. You're not going to get that with this, okay? I'm really upset. There's a lot of missing cells. What are they going to do? It won't even fit in there. What can I say? Whoever at CSC thought you can get away with this, you were wrong, and you're about to learn a lesson. One way or the other. You better come clean quick. Fix it on the website. Issue an apology. Because I already researched Zongshin. They only advertise it as 26, so it'd be pretty easy to prove that somebody over there changed it. And if you think it's illegal, no. It's going to vary by state, but I can tell you in Texas it's absolutely not legal to advertise a capacity or range, whatever, especially on a motor vehicle. There's a ton, I don't even know, you guys, I want to see if this upsets any of my subscribers, and also I'm gonna have to message the other owners I know and some motor vloggers to get the word out. So but unfortunately there's a key over here. You turn this key, okay, and it releases this latch. The bracket comes off. I have it removed so we can see that it's 26 amp hours there. This battery, the front running lights work with this battery. They did not work with the old battery, so that's really bizarre. This is an Anderson connector. I removed the screws and pulled it. You just pull it apart, push it back together, and the inside here is a little latch, so it just needs a little bit of force, but this is standard for like backup batteries. The design is great, but hey, where's my 30 amp hours, CSC? You guys might want to watch Pulp Fiction, where that guy says, does my boss look like a bitch to you? Huh? Do I look like a bitch? And I'd put that clip in here, but it'd probably get me in trouble, right? For the hamburger clip. So, yeah. Think burgers, man. Think burgers, yeah? What y'all gonna do, CSC? What you gonna do? Now, I'm just curious. You can't do nothing for me because you're not gonna be able to deliver me a battery, and I don't want money or nothing. I just want you to fix it, but fuck. This is crazy. You got to sell a 250 that is a 230cc, but you listed it as a 230cc, right? So that's the same thing the way this should be. I don't know how you thought you can get away with it, but no, you cannot. You're either going to stop it or I will stop it.